All right, so on February 4th, 2025, big day for the DAX, isn't it? Right here. Big day downwards. We came down knowing the market was already on the edge here last evening. And yeah, things didn't get any easier from there. This is the 30-minute chart of today, Tuesday. Yeah, the index definitely took a solid hit here, down about 1.5% on the day. And why? Well, mainly because of the whole US tariff situation. So President Trump dropped 25% tariff on Canada and Mexico, plus another 10% on Chinese goods later. Oh yeah, that's 1.2 to 3 trillion, I believe, in trade affected. Yeah, so this is what it looks like on the European charts, and that's not small at all. Yeah, it really sent a shockwave through the global markets and hit us here in the Europe and the DAX trading session, and obviously we felt it very clearly, especially in the automotive sector. Volkswagen and BMW and these guys, they saw their stocks dip about 5 to 6% in a day. So this is what it looks like on a 30-minute time frame. Well, yeah, let's break it down what actually happened today on the charts. We started off, I'm gonna move here on our 1 minute and tick charts. So yeah, here we are now in the late US session. US session, we started today off with some early strength, but that didn't last. Then it's the market has pretty much sidelined with some very decent 3 to 5 to 15 minutes up and downs. Yeah, you can see that we had a little nice upward here in the channel, but then major rejection here on the 21 basis points. And yeah, very textbook break of structure, flushed out some weak hands and hit the key support level earlier here on the chart. This is the big one. Yeah, this is where you can see our support level is drawn here, but from there it started climbing back up, and now the sideline or sideways action has been happening more or less. And speaking of levels, look at this reaction right here on the yellow line, so deep. And this was right on the open 10:15, 10:17 to 10:51. So the first hour, all the way first hour, it came down. And then the buyer stepped in, price bounced, and we got a steady grind back up. And so those are really the levels we love to trade. And that's just because of we're scalping right on the tick chart. We're talking about this 3 to 5 minute. This is 1 minute, very on hands and very close attention calling 1 minute chart. But usually we're staying all the way down to 1 minute, but basically 3 to 5 minute windows for precise entries and exits. And you really need to know where the overall market wants to go, and that's why we always zoom out first, checking the daily and hourly charts, and to map out the key structure levels before diving into these quicker scalps. And to talk about the indicators down here, what we're looking at down below, we got 2 stochastics. We got the slow moving stochastic 66 and the fast one, the 20. The 66 here on my chart is the light gray, and the fast moving is the colorful. Yeah, and the fast stochastic, when it dips into oversold and it starts curling up, and then we'll know our buy positions right here. That's often a quick scalp opportunity. If we're talking about 3 to 5 minutes, this, for example, on a 1 minute chart has lasted from 446 right after the US Open to to about 4:58, so about 10 minutes. Yeah, so but when they align perfectly this way, especially coming off from a major level like we saw today earlier, or any one of these like this one here, they beautifully come down here at 2:20 and come up together at 2:40, so about 10 to 20 minutes. Yeah, right now we're sitting on that higher range. Momentum might be fading, or we could be gearing up for another push. Either way, gotta stay sharp here. It's 8 o'clock now in the European session, late US session. And quick disclaimer, guys, we're not financial advisors, and this is not for financial advice, just for entertainment and informational purposes. So, you know, trade responsibly and don't be betting your house or anything we say here. Just let's share some knowledge and ideas on the charts. And that said, if you're enjoying the analysis, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and let us know in the comments what is your indicator for scalping. We're mostly on Stochastic on daily basis and minute basis. And if you have any analysis set up, let us know. And we might be doing a live DAX trading session this week, later, perhaps even tomorrow or Thursday, and we'll be breaking all this down in real time. And would be really fun to see you guys there. And I think I got about a 90-minute max left here, and this is for today's market recap, and catch you in the next one. Let's see, maybe tomorrow.